Today we are going to talk about the pillars of character and the decision-making model. Okay, and then that's going to relate to why my choices matter in my life. All right, so there's three parts here. So a quote to start: true character is revealed in the choices a human makes under pressure. The greater the pressure, the deeper the revelation. The truer the choice to the character's essential nature. So that first part means when you have to make a decision, people get to see the real you. So true character is revealed in the choices a human makes under pressure. So when you have to make that choice, it shows who you are. The second part, the more pressure you feel about the decision, the more your true colors come to the surface. So the greater the pressure, the deeper the revelation. So the harder it is to make that decision, the more pressure you feel, the more that your true colors are going to come through when that decision is made. And the last part, your final choice or decision is going to be what your true character is. So at the end of the day, your character is going to be revealed when making that decision. So to start, we're going to talk about the 6 pillars of character, which kind of go hand in hand with what we've talked about this week. First off, an individual's character represents a consistent pattern of behavior. All right, so the first 6 pillars are trustworthiness, respect, responsibility, fairness, caring, and citizenship. So the definitions that we want you to know for these 6 pillars are: for trustworthiness, it's doing what you say you'll do. Okay, so can your friends trust that you're going to be there if you say you will? Can your parents trust that you're going to unload the dishwasher when you say you will? Okay, respect, treating others the way you want to be treated. Responsibility, being willing to face the consequences of your choices. So this is a big one now, especially at this point in your life. Are you going to be able to handle whatever consequences come your way for every action that you make? Are you going to be able to handle that responsibility, knowing that every action has a consequence? Fairness, acting in an honest way and not taking advantage of others. Caring, going above and beyond to help others. And citizenship, how we need to behave as a part of a community. So it could be the community you live in, your Eastview community, the community of a classroom that you're in. Citizenship can mean a few different things. So first we'll talk about simple choices. Okay, simple choices do not affect your best interest, your community or environment, your safety or the safety of others, your health or health of others, and your reputation or reputation of others. So some examples of simple choices that you can go through every day. Which flavor of ice cream are you going to have? What shoe are you going to tie first? You're going to wear your backpack with 2 straps or 1 strap. Okay, so these aren't going to make you grow as a person. They're not going to affect your community or your environment. They're not unsafe. They're not unhealthy. They're just choices that you have to make every day to live your life. Now, on the other side of simple choices are serious choices. Okay, these choices will affect your best interests, your community and your environment, your safety and the safety of others, your health and the health of others, and your reputation or the reputation of others. So, is it in your best interest to take a hard class in high school, although you might not get an A, but know that it's what you want to do in college? It's probably in your best interest. Okay, do you volunteer within your community? Do you make others better? Are you doing what's safe outside of school, in school? What's your reputation in school or outside of school? Okay, these serious choices are going to affect all of these things. So it's bigger than just which shoe are you going to tie first. So at the end of the day, we all like to make our own choices. When you consistently make smart decisions about serious choices, there's 4 positive things that are going to happen. You earn people's trust. You get to make your own choices more often. You're given more responsibilities, and you feel good about yourself. So the more smart decisions you make about serious choices, you're going to get things in return. People will start to trust you. You're going to feel good about it. You're going to be given more responsibility. You're going to have more leniency to make your own choices if you can show that you are responsible enough to make these decisions. Okay, so at the end of the day, if you prove yourself about these decisions and choices, you're going to get rewarded for that. So now we're going to talk about the decision-making model. So there's 6 steps when we use the decision-making model. Okay, so a reminder before we start: a serious choice is where your decision will affect you or those around you or your community or environment. Okay, so we're going to follow the pillars of character as we make our decision here. So there's 6 steps. First one is we're going to identify the problem. What's the serious choice we're going to have to make? We're going to list the possible choices. We'll list the positive and negative consequences and how it would affect you or others. You're going to consider values and character. Number 5, you'll make a decision and take action. And then 6, you're going to evaluate the effectiveness of that decision that you just made. So, an example we're going to go through together. I found out this week that my friends are sick of me. One of my friends told me that the people in our circle don't really like me anymore because of how I treat them. I'm super sarcastic with them. I ignore them when I know they're talking to me. I laugh or make fun of them when they make mistakes. I tell them not to talk to me when I'm in a bad mood. They should know that I'm joking most of the time and they need to suck it up, but my feelings are a bit hurt. So if we go to step 1, identify the problem. Well, my friends aren't very happy with me right now because of how I'm treating them. So my choices are, I could change and make them happy. I could stay the same and we'd still be going in this circle of they're not going to be happy with me because of how I treat them. I could go get a new friend group. Okay, there's a few different choices there. Positive and negative consequences. Well, if I go get a new friend group, I don't have to change. But if I stay the same and I don't change my friends, are things ever going to get better? Probably not. Okay, if I do decide to change because I want to stay friends with these people, is it going to be really hard for me to change? Yeah, probably. Okay, so to make this decision, I'm going to have to think about what are my values and my character. Okay, am I the type of person that's going to fight to keep my friends and show my true colors, or am I going to get up and leave when things get hard? Okay, so then we'll make a decision, and after you make that decision, you'll evaluate your final decision. So now we're going to watch this video quickly about kids battling a serious choice. So the problem here is, do the kids eat the marshmallow now or do they wait 10 minutes to get 2 marshmallows? So they could eat it now or they can wait and get 2. If they eat it now, they're going to be satisfied and they won't get a second marshmallow. But if they wait 10 minutes and be tortured while they wait, they'll have a second marshmallow. Okay, for their values, I want people to know I can wait and I don't need the marshmallow right now. I can wait. And so I'm going to try my hardest to wait, but I love marshmallows. And then at the end, I was so happy I waited because I got that second marshmallow. So this video is a great demonstration of temptation and hope in being rewarded for a smart choice on a serious decision.
Okay, sit in that chair. All right, here's the deal. Marshmallow for you. You can either wait, and I'll give you another one if you wait, or you can eat it now. When I come back, I'll give you another one, so then you'll have 2. But stay in here and stay in the chair till I come back, okay? All right. I'm gonna go do something and then I'll come back.
It smells yummy. It smells really good.
So it's up to you. You can have it now or you can wait. Okay? I'll be back. Stay in the chair, okay? Okay. So I'm going to leave and then I'll come back, okay? So you can either eat it right now or you can wait. Either way, okay? Okay. How'd you do? Did you do good? You did?
Yeah.
You wanted to eat it, didn't you? Yeah. So did I tell you to give you another one? Okay, now you can have both. You need them.
All right, so after watching that, for today, your tasks are, if you have not already completed that Google survey, which was task 1 of today, please do that quickly. And then there's going to be a notes check assessment at the bottom of the Schoology page to check your understanding about today's lesson. For tomorrow, we're going to talk about the survey results, talk about some serious choices, and then you'll have a worksheet kind of relating to the stay-at-home order and distance learning.